All right, ladies and gentlemen, the change of base formula is used anytime you're trying to do a problem like this on your calculator. The log base 9 of 60, there is no key on the calculator for log base 9. Now actually, some of the calculators in class had under the math menu, I think there was a function called log base, and you could pick it and make this work on your calculator as a built-in function. But not everybody in the class has that button. And there's a formula that you're supposed to learn anyhow, referred to as the change of base formula. So basically what the change of base formula says is this. If I have the log base b of x, and b, I'm assuming at this point, is not 10 or not e, because otherwise we'd have a built-in key. Okay, so at this point, the base is not 10, the base is not e. In other words, it's a function that's not on our calculator. To evaluate this function, we could either find the natural log of x divided by the natural log of b, or we could find the common log of x divided by the common log of b. This is called the change of base formula. So, if I'm trying to find the log base 9 of 60, and I want to give the answer to approximate it to the nearest thousandth, I will put it in the change of base formula. It doesn't matter whether I use the natural log function or the log function. I'll use natural log. This is equal to the natural log of 60 divided by the natural log of 9. Now notice there's natural log on both top and bottom. The 60 gets put into the top function, the 9 gets put into the bottom function. An easy way to remember that, 9 is a subscript anyhow, so it started up, lower, so keep it lower. Okay, keep it on the bottom. And now I punch this into my calculator. Let me pull out my calculator here. Turn it on, clear out what I have, and I'm going to be typing in the natural log of 60. I close parens, okay? And then divided by, push natural log again, and type in a 9, close parens, and hit enter. And we get approximately 1.863. And that is how you apply the change of base formula, and then I've also taught you how to punch it into your calculator. So the log base 9 of 60 is approximately 1.863. Now, you knew the answer was going to be less than 2 for this reason. 9 squared would be 81. 9 to the first power would be 9. Well, 60 is definitely in between 9 and 81. So we knew the power had to be somewhere in between 1 and 2 and closer to 2. So it makes sense. This answer should make sense to you. 9 squared is 81. That's too big. So a little less than 2 was the correct answer. And we got that by applying what I call in class COB, not corn on the, but change of base. There we go.